The 9 cm pot is possibly the most common size of container used in the UK. It has typically been injection molded or thermoformed, then placed into an 18-count carry tray. These products are typically single-use and probably never get recycled. It's time for a change. We want to get rid of plastic waste, especially single-use plastic. We are also keen to reduce labor content and thus reduce costs. We have a solution here on both counts. We have developed our new 18-cell hybrid air tray with the same plant density as the 9 cm pot but with the following benefits. The air tray cell has vertical root training ribs and air pruning holes resulting in excellent drainage, aeration and air pruning of roots. It has a cross-shaped drain hole. This allows plants to be extracted from below with the pin pushing against the area with roots on the edge of the cell. Great air pruning requires great airflow, so we have very large vents in the top surface of the tray. The vents act like chimneys and ventilate the canopy as well as aiding air pruning of roots. The tray has a built-in leg option. It can be supplied with or without the leg. The leg has a built-in benching system that aids airflow underneath the tray. It also isolates the plants from soil and puddle contamination. The trays with legs nest into a stable stack suitable for storage or transport. The trays separate from each other very easily and mechanization is guaranteed without jamming or sticking. One tray just drops away from the stack when released. There are strong rims at each end of the tray, allowing it to be picked up easily by machines but specifically by forks to automate internal transport. This is far preferable to backbreaking, expensive, manual transport. The tray is designed to work seamlessly with any mechanization process and is compatible with all known machinery. It fills easily with a large open cell shape, although the leg requires a high clearance on the filler. Seeding, or placing cuttings is easy because the tray is a single unit. Existing carry trays with separate pots can move independently and are difficult to automate. If transplanting from a small cell into the 18-count tray, it is easy to make clean drilled holes to insert plugs without causing damage. Transplanting can be performed manually or automatically with grippers placing plants into the holes. Trays can then be moved out to the nursery using forks, therefore reducing labor dramatically. A small mini jack fork system is now available for tight spaces. The logic here is that labor on the nursery is reduced by using a cheaper forklift option for internal transport. Plants can then be brought back to a central head house for grading, transplanting and dispatch, all with automation options. The tray is a hybrid design. This means it can be loose-filled or contain stabilized media such as an Elipot. In either case, the roots get air pruned and develop a great root system without any defective roots. The air pruning kills root tips that are forced out of the openings in the cell by adjacent ribs. These roots lose their dominance and release numerous new secondary roots. This process is repeated, resulting in a large quantity of young, vigorous feeder roots ready to explode into growth after transplanting. Our experience shows a large number of roots establishing and developing way up the vertical profile of the root ball, unlike roots from a 9 cm pot, where a small number of roots typically establish and mainly from the base area. This in turn creates better physical support along with increased water and fertilizer uptake, promoting faster top growth. This leads to higher yields and quicker crop turnaround. When plants are ready in the 18-cell tray, there are two options: send to retail or pot up. Potting up can be performed manually or automatically and is easier than with a 9 cm pot as there is no separate pot to remove and dispose of. If going to retail, the concept is to place plants into retail-ready containers, leaving the trays on the nursery for reuse. The retail-ready containers will be launched soon, once trials are complete. They will allow for a vastly reduced plastic option compared to existing systems, which create a lot of plastic waste. In conclusion, this new 18-count tray provides many benefits. It will replace the 9 cm pot and carry tray with a reusable nursery container. It will be capable of producing better quality plants at lower cost thanks to mechanization and long-life containers. If potted up internally, these plants will perform better with quicker establishment and top growth, leading to a superior, faster crop. If sent to retail, we are currently trialing a reduced plastic, cardboard carton. It will eliminate the need for plant labels and thermoformed or injection molded plant pots going to retail. This will be a massive step forwards.